Hello everyone. This is a short tutorial on how to do the background research for this week's assignment. I'm going to start, I listed some databases right here. I always like to use the Gale virtual reference. To me, it's one of the best databases for background research. It's encyclopedias, ebooks. The other one that's helpful is Wikipedia. I'm going to start with Gale virtual reference though. And I chose to do mine on political polarization. And as you can see, there's quite a few different ebooks, encyclopedias on here. But I'm going to just choose this top one up here. And as you can see, this article it's from this encyclopedia right here, and this is just one of the articles that is in it. As I'm looking for keywords, my eye goes straight to the hyperlinked words, because those are usually some of the best keywords that just jump out at you, like partisanship, polarization, voting, political gerrymandering. That one's not hyperlinked, but that's a really good one as well. Mass media. These are all really good keywords. And if you just keep scrolling, you find more. You're also looking for interesting things about your topic. In this week's assignment, I have you write 2 sentences of 2 interesting things that you found while doing your background research. So be looking out for that as well. And you can see that it's not very long. These are very short entries. And let me just show you over here where it says related subjects. You can usually always pick up more keywords from here. You can click on any one of these links too, and it'll take you to another page where you can find even more keywords. You can also click on any of these links up here, like mass media and politics. That would probably show me more keywords. The other thing you can do is take any one of the topics from the list and put social media with it. So social media and politics, and then you'll find even more information. So let me click on that. And it's still from the same encyclopedia pretty much. This one's might be a different volume, but it's all coming from the same encyclopedias. So here's some more keywords I can get from all of this whole article. Over here on related subjects, I have even more keywords over here. I can find even more interesting things if I didn't find them in the other article that I was reading. So those are just different options for you to look at. If you just want to search just your topic and find things that way, or if you want to put social media and whatever your topic is in front of it, that might help you even more. Those are 2 very good options. So I'm going to show you right now Wikipedia. Okay, so now I'm on Wikipedia. I typed in my topic, and there's even more keywords that are hyperlinked that I could use. And there's more content, elite polarization, mass polarization. These are all great, wonderful things that I could write about as far as my 2 sentences on interesting things that I found while doing my research. Just one thing to say about Wikipedia is that it's great for background information, but not so great for in-depth. I think, as everybody knows, anybody can come in and change anything, so it's usually not reliable. However, if you go straight to the bottom where the references are listed, most of the time, like this is from JSTOR, you can click on those, and for the most part, they look, I haven't checked all of these, but for the most part, they look credible. But I would have to check every single one in order to say it's 100%. But most of them look pretty credible. And you can always use Wikipedia as a branching off point or jumping off point. So that's what makes Wikipedia helpful when doing background research. And so I just want to show you what I got from all this. So here's my topic. Here's my background search. I typed the name of the ebook, the Encyclopedia of Social Media and Politics. I copied and pasted my permalink, which I will show you right now how to get those. And then the two things that I found that were interesting and my working research question right here, and then 10 related keywords. You don't have to get all 20. I just happen to do more because the more keywords you have, the more information you're going to be able to uncover when we do get to the in-depth research. Okay, so back on the Gale virtual reference where social media and politics category was, I'm going to show you where I got the permalink if nobody knows how to get it already. Up here at the top, it says get link. You click that, click select, copy paste. If we were citing this, we could also cite it. These are frequently wrong, and when we do our MLA Works Cited page in week 6, we're going to go over how to make sure that these are correct. But you would just copy and paste this and then double check it to make sure that everything is accurate. So those are two really great features. So when I ask for a permalink, just go straight to get link. On the Wikipedia page, just grab the whole URL up at the top, and that should be just fine because there's no permalink on Wikipedia. So that is it. That is the end of my tutorial. If anybody has any questions, feel free to email me. Come to my Zoom office hour on Tuesday nights from 7 to 8 p.m. We can always schedule a private Zoom meeting and I can go over this with you. Other than that, have a great week.